Hello guys, Luke here today. And today we are just gonna stay in spawn for the 4th time. Sure, I'll have TNT. Ooh. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I will hit you with a car? What? Oh my god, that's not good. Falling off the roof so high, that's even worse. I hope I break my neck and die. Okay, I should have not have said that, because that's just too harsh. But, I'm sorry for saying that. But, wow, can you stop with the twinkle star? Yeah, I don't really care. It's just too harsh, that's all. Leo is old and retiring. I find that hard to believe. What grade? Shrimp! Hey, call me some shrimp, wimp. Oh. That's not good. This guy's funny, but he just calls me names. He thinks I'm a wimp. I'm not. You're the wimp. Alrighty. So we got BF, Fosses, CC the bad wolf girl. I don't know how to say that. Blueberry Cool Dimes co-leader, Brownie the songwriter, Death AU Grandmaster, Galaxy, Leo. I'll put that in Google Translate. Naomi? I'll put in Google Translate. I have to put that in Google Translate too. Sapphire. Supersonic Gamer 33 Pro. Title Lizard. Frostbite Clan. X Fosses X. Eleek. She Was Jade. Catherine. And Heaven Bear. It never gets old. What are you doing? Exploding TNT. We're gonna stay in spawn for the 4th time with some special TNT explosions. I've been saving up a little bit because I knew that we were going to I'm gonna do a food event whenever I reach 100 subs. And it's fun to do, and it gets a lot of views. Alrighty, so let's get started. I need my flint and steel here, my good buddy, that I always use. I don't really have a lava bucket because someone placed a block in my lava, and I really hated that. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay. So, not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. Alright, let's do more. There we go. Oh my god, whoa. That was incredible. I feel bad for a good one. Not me. And okay, I have sticks. I have 64. Alrighty. Why? Oh no. Woohoo, yeah. We got some people trapped in there. Oh yeah. And now, the last 3. What? Hey, quit it. Who did that? Well, that's fine. I don't care. Why would you do that? That sucks. Don't hurt the TNT. No, don't hurt the TNT. Don't hurt the TNT. That, you just ruined it, whoever did that. Oh. Yeah, you're annoying. That's someone else. Yeah. So, we did a lot of damage here. Add Galaxy, Mystic, Magical Gods to your friends list. She's a good person. Sure. So, that was good. Not too bad. And I'm going to respawn to my home point. And my home point's up here because I used the Leaping Potion 2, which is really cool. And it's nice because I like it. Hey, Haley Jr., add her to your friends list. She's a good person too. Okay. Here we go. Alright. So, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And on my 50th episode, I'm gonna do my food event. So make sure you come to that. And after I reach 100 subscribers, I am gonna feel very good about myself. So, I already got some food over here, so let's check out my private chest. I have been preparing for a lot of stuff lately. I got 64 cooked salmon, 57 cooked chicken, 64 cooked mutton, 18 cooked potatoes. I got potatoes from a lucky block. 61 carrots from a lucky block. No, I got so many carrots from a lucky block. And someone gave me a lot of, my friend gave me a lot of carrots. 64 cooked, well 74 cooked pork because I have 10 more. And almost 2 stacks of steak. So, I've been working really hard, and I've been doing that so I can make my 100 subscribe event, or food giveaway, really good. So, we are going to do it in another spawn, and it's probably going to be tomorrow. I'm recording. Sorry, someone interrupted. Alright, so we're probably going to do it in another spawn, and we will think about it, and make sure to give me more ideas whenever I am making videos in the future. So, make sure to add Brownie to your friends list, Galaxy to your friends list, and Fosses to your friends list. And one more person, Haley Jr., add her to your friends list. You guys need more friends than me. Have a good day.